Welcome to Chemistry Post Utme online class, and this class is specially designed for students who will be writing the upcoming Post Utme examination. Now, before I start teaching this question, how to solve this kind of question here. Now, Post Utme exam is totally different from JAM examination, although it look alike, but Post Utme examination is a little bit higher than JAM examination. So recently, I was going through different school Post Utme past question, and I discovered something. Now, the kind of question they ask in Post Utme is a little bit advanced than in JAM. So that is why you want to take your Post Utme class serious. You want to take your Post Utme preparation serious, because if you don't take it serious, if you think that you score very well in JAM and you just use that same mindset or the same preparation process you did in your JAM, or what you have done in JAM to go and write the Post Utme, right? So you definitely mess up your examination. So that is why you want to subscribe to the channel so you can follow up through this class, Post Utme class. So I'm going to run Post Utme class for maths, chemistry, and physics. So this is going to be the first class, but we have our private class. So if you're interested to join our private class, leave a comment section that you want to join the private class. But private class is not free. Do you understand? It's one-time payment. So from there now, we can be learning every day on our private WhatsApp group. So now let's look at this question here. So there are two questions. I'm going to solve these two questions. Then I'm going to give you the one for you to try. You get? So it's called under water of crystallization to calculate what X, the numbers of water in salt. So if you look at this question here, it's that a 0.4994 gram sample of hydrated of CuSO4 XH2 copper 2 tetraosulfate 6 salt, then this is the water, is heated to a constant weight of 0.3184 total loss of water. Do you understand? Calculate the value of X. So here they are asked to calculate the value of X. Now, when I check out through JAM past question, this is kind of question. As a matter of fact, this one question in my year one, yes, those students doing year one, this type of question they normally see. So it's a little bit advanced. So that is why I want to pay close attention to most of my video. I'll be uploading on this channel, and you need to join our private class. So now when you ask something like this, there are two different methods to solve it here. But I want to give you the easiest and fastest method, which is called the formula method. With the formula method, you can easily solve this question in less time. So what is the formula to solve this kind of question? When you are being asked to calculate X, the numbers of water in salt, just what is formula? What formula can you use? So the formula you can use is going to be what? Mass of dry salt over what? Mass of hydrated what? Salt equals what? Molar mass of dry salt. Do you understand? Molar mass of dry salt over what? Molar mass of hydrated salt. So this is the easiest formula I can use. Although I also have another method, but this one in your exam, just try to use one here. So what you want to do here? So try to identify the dry salt, the hydrated salt. They calculate what the molar mass of the dry salt and the molar mass of the hydrated salt. Then substitute into the formula. Then solve for your X as easy as that. So let's look at the question here. It's that a 0.4994 gram of sample of a hydrated salt. So this is the hydrated salt. That is, hydrated salt means what? Salt with water. So this is what hydrated salt. So mass of the dry salt, which was CuXO4 XH2O, is what? Is 0.4994 gram. Can you see that? That is it. Now, then it's heated. So remember, when a salt contains water and is heated, you're going to lose all the water of crystallization. Do you understand? You're going to lose the water. So now when you lose all the water, then it's going to become a dry salt. That I call the total loss of water. So the total loss of water, that means this one here I've lost all the water. So it's now left the salt. So there is mass of salt mass of dry salt. Now this one is what is agitated salt. Mass of dry salt, which CuSO4, was given to me to be what 0.3184 0.3184 gram. Just and so we have known this one here. Now the next one to do here, so we'll calculate the molar mass of each of the salts. Do you get that? So let's calculate the molar mass of the agitated salt. So molar mass of CuXO4.SH2O. Now they give us the atomic mass of each of the elements here. Do you understand? They give us what the atomic mass of each of the elements. So copper is what is 63.5. So going to be 63.5 because the number of atoms of copper is what is 1. So going to be 63.5 times 1. Can you see that? Plus sulfur is what is 32. So going to be 32 times 1, right? Plus oxygen is 16 times 4. I don't have any other space again, right? So I'll just put this here plus. Now this X is affecting the whole of water. So that is the numbers of water in the salt. Just so going to be X, then right open here, 1 times 2 plus 16 times 1. So if you check it very well, it's going to be what? It's going to be 63.5 plus 32 plus 64. So if you 60 times 4. 60 times 4 is 64 plus. Now, what are you going to be 18? So going to be 18 what's X. Can you see that? 1 times 2 is 2 plus 16, so going to be 18. Now, if you sum everything together here, this plus this plus this plus this, here I want to have 63.5 plus 32 plus 64, right? So I want to sum this one together. So going to be 159.9 plus 18 what's X. Can you see that? So that is the molar mass of what? The hydrated salt. Now, what is molar mass of the dry salt? What is molar mass of the dry salt? So molar mass of what? CuXO4 is equals to what? Now, the whole of this is what is dry salt. So that is all of this one. That is molar mass because the whole of this is this one here. The only addition is just this guy. Do you understand? So going to be 159.9. Remember, everything is going to be what? Gram per mole, right? Gram per what? Per mole. Very important. So now, yeah, we have gotten. I'm going to wipe this place here because I don't think we need this thing again. So I'm wiping this place. So you can use to do the calculation. So from here now, let's substitute our values. So mass of the dry salt. Remember, this is dry salt. So the dry salt is one without water. So the mass is what? 0.314. So going to be 0.314, right? Okay, 0.3184 gram. Can you see that? Over. Now, what is the mass of the hydrated salt? The mass of the hydrated salt is what? Okay, the mass of the hydrated salt is 0.4994. 0.4994 gram equals to. Now, mass of the dry salt. So molar mass of the dry salt. So what's molar mass of the dry salt? Now, molar mass of the dry salt, which was CuSO4, is what? 159.9. So it will be 159.9 gram per watt per mole over, right? Molar mass of the hydrated salt, which is the whole of this one here. So here I have 159.9 plus 18 watt X. Can you see that? Gram per watt per mole. Can you see that? Gram per mole, gram per mole, gram. So the idea here is that this is by this. So let's divide this one here. Let's get our answer. 0.314 84 divided by 0.4994. So what are you going to get? You're going to be 0.63755650. Do you understand? So you can leave it. It must be 4 decimal points and above. 4 decimal points and above. For the sake of what accuracy. So 4 decimal points. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I have 7 decimal points. So you can also, it should be 4 decimal points and above. Do you understand? So this by this what I got equals to yeah. Now let's remember this one is out here. Going to be 159.9 over 159.9 plus 18. Can you see that? So the idea here is to make S the subject of formula. That is the idea. Make S the subject of formula. So if you cross multiply here, so you remember here is 1, right? So it will be 159.9. Remember, this is not what you are looking at first. So it's going to be 159.9 is equals to what? 0.6375650 times is, remember, it's multiplied all of this one here. One equals multiply, right? So it will be 159.9 plus 18 what x. So that is that. Let me write this place now. So from here now, I can easily get what my x. I can easily get what my x. So it's going to be. So it's going to be 159.9 equals to. Now let's open the bracket. If you open the bracket here we have 0.6375650 times 159.9. Here I have 101.9466435, right? Plus. So this times 18. So here we have 0.6375650. 0.6375650 times 18. So you have 11.4761817 what x. Can you see that? So now let's make this guy a sorry formula here. So it's going to be 11.4761817x equals to. So now when you move here, so we have 159.9 minus 101.9466435. Can you see that? So let's subtract it. 159.9 minus 101.9466435. 11.476161817x equals to 57.9533565. So what I want to do here, so make S the subject of formula. So if you make S the subject formula here, it will be 57.9533565 over 11.4761817. So let's divide this. 11.4761817. So yeah, you have to get what 5. That is the numbers of water. The numbers of water in the compound is what is 5. So remember the salt is what? The ideal salt is what? CuXO4.xH2O. That is the numbers of water. The numbers of water in the ideal salt is 5. So that would be CuXO4.5H2O. Can you see that? Now, if your question say, what is X? Like what I've asked here, what is X? So I want to give A, B, C, D. Do you understand? Now, this is the easiest method I've seen in when it comes to calculate this kind of question. So you have to master, you have to practice and master what the process. So what you want to do, what you want to understand here is that is the your calculation process. Are you good in your calculator? Do you understand? So because if you should approximate the way you're not supposed to approximate, then you are not going to get 5. You may get wrong answer. So that is the reason why I'm putting all the values. But what I've told you here is we must limit what to 4 decimal points and above to get your accurate what answer. Do you understand? So I don't want this video to be too lengthy. If this video is helpful, please leave a comment section. This video is helpful. Now let me know your jam score and the school you want to go to, and the course you are going for. Please leave it in the comment section. Let's interact. Now, for those of you who want to join our private intensive online class, now the class is 15,000 naira for this. See when you write your examination. So you are learning maths, chemistry, and physics. Like what I said, post-UTME class is totally different from jam class. So you must prepare adequately. There are some things you don't know during jam. You have to learn there. Like this kind of question here. I believe you have not seen this kind of question before, right? So that is why you want to join the private online class where we learn on a consistent basis. So what I want to do here is to try and solve this question. Leave it at the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you. If this video is helpful, please leave it at the comment section that this video is helpful. Please kindly share this video to all of your friends. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.